Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to walk through the installation process for BioSwiftAnalytics, a comprehensive package that includes several Jupyter notebooks assigned to simplify and streamline the analysis process of biological data, and so a useful bioinformatics tool that helps researchers analyze biological data using Python and Jupyter notebooks. So let's get started. Before starting, make sure you have installed Docker on your system. If you haven't done so yet, please visit the official Docker website and download the latest version of the software for your operating system. Once you reach the Get Started page, you can choose the appropriate Docker version for your operating system and follow all the steps to correctly install the software on your machine. Once Docker is downloaded and installed, you are ready to use BioSwiftAnalytics. In the GitHub page of the project, you will find all information about the installation process in the Quick Start section. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the following docker pull command. This command tells Docker to pull the BioSwiftAnalytics image from the Docker repository. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while you wait. In this case, we use the test files by downloading the tar archive from release section by running the following wget command. In this way, we have automatically set up our file system structure and files. Now extract the archive in the current directory. Now that we have our directory set up and the Docker image downloaded, we can run the Docker container. In your terminal, enter the following command. This command runs the Docker container mapping the local file system directories to the container directories. In this way, the two directories are linked and perfectly synchronized. With the Docker container up and running, we can now access the Jupyter notebooks. Open your web browser and go to the address 127.0.0.1 at the port 8888. You should see the Jupyter interface where you can start exploring the various notebooks included in BioSwiftAnalytics. From here, you can upload your data to the data directory within Jupyter, and any results you generate will be saved to the results directory. This setup ensures a smooth workflow between your local machine and the Docker container. Once you have finished your analysis and no longer need the container running, you can stop and remove it to free up system resources. Use the following commands in your terminal: docker stop and docker remove BioSwiftAnalytics. This command stops the running container and then removes it from your system. It's always a good practice to clean up unused containers to keep your system tidy. And that's it, you have successfully installed and set up BioSwiftAnalytics using Docker. Now you are ready to dive into your bioinformatics analysis with a powerful set of tools at your disposal. If you found the tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. In the next video I will show you how to use the first notebook of this series. So, see you in the next video.